Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to an amazing woman. Imagine you are a 15-year-old girl walking home from school just like you do any other day. Suddenly, out of nowhere, you feel this intense pain and realize you've been shot. This was real life for Malala Yousafzai. Her message of courage and bravery speaks out like the music of a beautiful song that captivates you. Her bravery and courage has been there from a very early age. It didn't all start out like that, however. Her life completely turned upside down, and that is what led her to where she is now. After living a normal life in Pakistan, the Taliban caused that all to change. At the early age of 11, Malala gave her first speech. Now, before she comes up here, picture yourself in that position. You are a young girl, and everything's changed. You have no idea what can happen next. The way things are looking, you may have no education, no freedom, and after the death threats against you and your family, no life. Facing this required bravery and determination. That bravery and determination she had led her to agree to write a blog speaking out against the Taliban in their attempt to deny girls an education. A blog that nearly cost her life as the Taliban tried to murder her for speaking up. That's right. Not only was Malala threatened for speaking out, she was strong enough to survive an assassination attempt on her life. Something completely unexpected. In fact, when her father was asked about her being in danger, if she did the blog, he stated, "Of course not. She was a child. Who would shoot a child? The Pashtun tradition is that all children are spared from harm." She recovered and has continued to speak out today in support of making sure girls are able to get an education. With bravery that has even brought her back to the location of her assassination attempt, while she is still a target of the Taliban. Her continued bravery is shown tonight as she takes the stage to speak with all of you. And remember, as Maya Angelou said, each time a woman stands up for herself, without knowing it, possibly without claiming it, she stands up for all women. Please help me welcome Malala Yousafzai.